In this video, you're going to learn how to solve a system of equations word problem using substitution. I put a picture of lightning because when we're done with this lesson, you're going to feel like you got struck by lightning. All right, number 1. Regular bowling prices at Bowler's World are $12 per hour and $4 for the shoe rental. Family night prices are $3 per hour and $22 for the shoe rental. At what point would the same number of hours cost the same amount at these prices? That's a lot of information. If you compare it to a word problem that you're used to, it's actually double the problem. You're used to a word problem that's just like this. Regular bowling prices at Bowler's World are $12 per hour and $4 for the shoe rental. That's what you're used to. However, because this is a system of equation word problem, then there's actually a second part to it, which are the family night prices. You know a system has two equations, so it's basically like double the problem that you're used to. So let's go ahead and break it down. If you would like to pause the video, go get highlighters. You can highlight yours similar to how I highlighted mine. If not, let's continue. At what point would the same number of hours cost the same amount? Okay, well, I know when it says $12 per hour, that means X is the number of hours that you are bowling, and Y is going to be total cost. Let's go ahead and make two equations and solve using substitution. It says, regular bowling prices at Bowler's World are $12 per hour and $4 for the shoe rental. So I know that the regular bowling prices are $12 per hour plus $4 for the shoe rental. When you go bowling, you only rent the shoes once. Okay, so that right there, if you want me to keep color coding things, is the yellow. Oops, I chose a different yellow by accident, sorry. Now let's do our equation for the family night. So family night prices are $3 per hour plus $22 for your shoe rental. Okay, so again, that's the family night prices. That would be our green. Okay, so now that we have the two equations, honestly, that's the hardest part of these word problems, is kind of getting all the information organized and put into two equations. Now you're going to solve this using substitution. So basically at that point, you should be able to solve it. I'm not going to walk through it. So pause this video now, and I'd like you to solve using substitution. Then check your answer. So the solution to that system is the point 228. Just to be clear, the 2 represents the number of hours that you would be bowling when the prices became the same, and 28 would be the price either way. So at 2 hours, no matter if you did the regular bowling or the family night prices, it would cost you $28. You'll notice on your paper, there's a line at the very bottom. I would like you to write this answer in a complete sentence. The reason why is because this answer goes to a word problem. So I always want you to know what that answer represents. Just a reminder, what it means is that no matter what prices, 2 hours would cost $28. Go ahead and pause and write your sentence, and then we'll continue. All right, so similar to before, this is going to be 2 problems in one. It says, Soraya and Alex won some money after playing board games with friends. Altogether, they won $78. But Alex won $21 more than Soraya. How much did each person win? All right. Alex and Soraya won some money after playing board games with friends. Altogether, they won $75. But Alex won $21 more than Soraya. How much did each person win? Take a look at the question. Whatever it's asking you, that's what X and Y are going to be. Those are our unknowns. So how much did each person win? Okay, so we're going to say X will be Soraya's money. And Y will be Alex's money. Okay. Let's go ahead and write an equation for the orange highlight, and let's write an equation for the pink highlight. It says altogether they won $75. Altogether. So if you put Soraya's money and Alex's money together, it would make $75. So let's do that. Let's put Soraya's money and Alex's money, X and Y, together. It should make $75. Right? So this is Soraya's money, and this is Alex's money. It says all together, which means add them up, they made $75. That right there is our orange equation. Let's go ahead and make our pink equation. It says Alex won 21 more than Soraya. Who won more? Alex. Alex won more. By how much? 21. So what Alex won, okay, right? Y is Alex. What Alex won is 21 more than Soraya, which is X. Boom. That's our pink equation. Okay? I'd like you to solve this using substitution and then check your answer. So go ahead and pause. Check your answer when you're done. So when I solved this out, I got X equals 27 and Y equals 48. If you wanted to double check them, you could add them together and make sure they make $75. You can make sure that what Alex won is $21 more than what Soraya won. X is 27. Remember, X is what Soraya won. Y is 48. Remember, that's what Alex won. Okay? If you made a mistake, correct your mistake. Also, make sure you write your final sentence at the bottom, right? So what does the 27 and 48 represent? What does that represent? It's right up here. I wrote it right above that. Go ahead, write your sentence. Pause this video and press play when you're ready to continue. So the good news is you're going to do number 3, and you're going to do number 3 for your gate check. So go ahead and do it on your paper, and then log in down on the gate check and record your answer. That will give me a good idea of how to proceed with tomorrow's lesson. Thanks, Honey Bunnies.